Tretinoin is a form of vitamin A. It is commonly used to treat acne and is used as a topical treatment for 4 decades now. It normalizes the keratin formation in skin, unclogs blocked pores, and promotes the normal flow of sebum. It is a very potent formulation with specific usage instructions, so let's discuss them. Cleanse your face thoroughly, and once you do that, let it dry out, and then you can apply the Tretinoin. Since it's a prescription product, use as recommended by your doctor. Take a pea-sized amount and apply on the affected area only. It's not your face cream, so do not apply all over. Apply once before bedtime or as recommended by your doctor. So if you have skin irritation problems like itching, peeling, or sunburn, do not use it. The most important thing to remember when using Tretinoin is do not step out of the house without using sunscreen.